Hi guys, welcome to 188 GCTV. So, I'm Mia and this is my little brother Jang.
And
my little sister Janine. So, we're unboxing and heat gun is a very red. So beautiful and clean. It's a black. Never mind that, just ignore that. So, we're going to let you see the
box.
The box there.
Okay.
First the front.
Okay.
Next is the back. Next is the side.
Okay.
And the back.
Well, the same. Okay.
Yeah. And another same one.
Okay.
What about upside down? Oh, there's
okay.
nothing.
Okay.
So guys, we're going to open now.
And we are going to test it later.
And we're going to test the heat gun. It's already hot. And what is this? Help me, little brother Josh. Joke, you're not Josh. You're just my. Oh, I knew it. So wait, guys, there. Let the little sister help the little brother or sister. Okay, we're going to open it. Put it on the side first. First we have is sample. No. It's
What is that?
I forgot.
Careful, guys. Mag-guess.
Starter. Heat starter.
Wait, close the camera. Heat scrapers.
Okay, guys.
That is a manual.
If this is English or not, or it's speak like a China.
Okay. Chinese.
It's a English, guys. So done. So next is this. It looks like kind of a cake. Yes. Look on this. It looks like a silver cake. Okay. There's no more. Well, I hope. You see? The heat gun! Okay, guys. We're going.
Wala na dyan. Wala na yung makitan. Masing na mo gawas. Wala na.
On. It's not on. Okay, guys. We're going to let you see in the heat gun.
Close up. Okay, side.
There's
You read.
Mitsushi heat gun has look like kind of 250 slash L minute. Can you just 200 W 50 2000 50 C 60 C.
Where is the switch button?
There.
And
This
the back,
is on. This is off.
the fan control at the back.
Fan control. This is holding.
No, like that.
Nope. I was shocked. I was shocked. What is this? Okay, guys, we're going to test this for now.
We're going to test this with a plastic.
Plastic? Are you sure with the plastic?
Yeah.
You
Yes, the plastic so that if we
This?
can... No, not that. We'll get another plastic for the testing.
You get it, little bro. Because
Wait, for a moment, you get the
please
extension wire, please.
get the extension wire and the plastic.
Sige, set the rest. Butang ang plug.
Plug it, please. Madong.
Careful.
Oops. Not there.
Careful.
Not there.
Yeah, there.
No, it will.
Wait, sige.
Okay, he got it. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's so
Wait.
Oh no.
No laughing.
My father is fixing
Okay.
the electric.
Careful, do not. It's hot, huh?
Where's
It's
the
hot.
no? Where's the plastic? Oh, where's the green? I'm scared.
Get that one, huh? Kara, get na ang kanang usan niya. Kara, so you put the plastic in there.
How should I do this?
Anin.
Help me.
No, ito lang, buta lang sa bus. Like that. So
Eh?
slowly lang. Slow lang katong. Up gamay. Up gamay. Sige, set 1. Pandar. Wait, natangtang. You have to plug
Oh
the...
no.
Asang ang slow ani paana diri?
Bloopers.
Sa mo di mandam kay. Oh. Pati pak. Slowly lang, slowly, careful. Ababaw. Na, ababaw. Control. See?
That's fast.
Yeah, see?
Oh, mamamia.
Ako.
Tasty.
Ay, palayo, gamay kita dili mo lagpad.
It became it became like a ball. Weird. It's fun.
Wait, stop. The styrofoam also melted.
No, gamit ani.
I just want to do it more.
Okay.
Be careful of the camera.
Okay.
Lol.
Ay, jump.
It jumped. It looks scary.
Yeah, the styrofoam melts. No, not fast. It will fly away.
Nope, it fly again. Against me.
Pataas.
Come on, melt. It melted.
It melted the styrofoam. Up, stop. The styrofoam already has melted. Okay, that's it, guys. Hey, no, Mia. Careful, it's hot. You put it down. Okay, that's it.
Uy, nanima ko.
Smells bad because of the styrofoam. Okay.
Okay, guys. Please like our video. And I hope you enjoy our video. Please like.
Now you see, we have if it is unboxing.
Is unboxing. So
You have to say hope I
hope-
showed you the item.
I hope you enjoy the item and enjoyed.
Enjoyed like that. If it's unboxing, you have to say about the item, not it's about the movie or something.
So don't fix it at my face.
That's okay.
Can I touch it? Is it hot or not?
No more. Not hot
Diyan,
anymore.
ligo na. Apat na.
Oh,
Ay, apat na.
okay. My plastic that I brought is milk.
Okay, bye guys. You say Jang. You say goodbye.
Bye,
Sige,
guys.
kubi.
Thanks for watching.
Okay.
It's rough.
It's rough.
And here is soft. And this is rough. And right here too.
Uy, pangin naman.
Okay.
And this one is soft a little because of the heat gun.
Pangin na.
Like,
Bye.